Welcome to John 316 Auto and Home channel. Don't forget to subscribe and add your comments in the comment section below. In today's video, we will be installing a rechargeable water dispenser. We will start by unboxing the electric water pump. Select the components or parts you will use. I will use the electric pump, hose, inlet pipe head and the charging cable. Plug the USB cable into the pump. Plug the USB into a power source to charge the electric pump. Let it charge for about 30 minutes before using it. Carefully remove the bottle cap. You could also choose to punch a hole into the middle of the cap to insert the hose. Check the pump with the bottleneck. Install the inlet pipe head on the hose. The next step is to connect the hose to the pump. Fasten the assembled pump to the water bottle. Reduce the water in the bottle to avoid any spill. Press the push button to dispense water. Congratulations, that completes the installation. Thanks for watching and visiting this channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and add your comments in the comment section below.